Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the developer console. This is where you issue color commands. Once done, make sure you have permission to run server or client commands, since some servers block changes. You need to decide whether to use RGB, hex, or built-in presets because the command syntax differs. Now type the base Physgun command to target the tool. Do not skip this step, because color changes apply to the active Physgun instance and not all players automatically. You apply the color by issuing the proper command format. For RGB, you type 3 numbers, for hex, a single value. Once entered, press enter and observe the change. If nothing happens, try re-equipping the Physgun to refresh visuals. Make sure to use the correct scope. Client-only commands affect your view, while server commands broadcast to everyone. If using presets, you can reference an ID or name. This simplifies repeating the exact shade later. You finish by securing the change so it persists across sessions. Add the final command to your auto-exec. CFG or bind it to a key. Once saved, test by reconnecting to the server and re-equipping the Physgun to ensure the color loads correctly. If the color fails to appear, check for add-on conflicts, server-enforced defaults, or missing permissions, and then try resetting to the default color before reapplying. A single troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.